I'm Jessica Bowling Stacy. I teach high school English. I swear you would think that I haven't been teaching 17 years the way my voice is shaking. I can talk. I have a couple of my students here with me today, but I just told them I can talk all day in front of high school students, but when I get in front of adults, this happens, so I apologize. But I teach high school English, and I'm also the yearbook media advisor at Jackson City School in Jackson. We're a small K through 12 school. We have under 100 students in the high school. My grant focuses on my yearbook media class. It's called Picture Perfect. My problem was that I didn't have a class camera. I had an old Nikon D200, about 10 years old, not taking good pictures, so we started relying on cell phones last year to take pictures. And as you all know, cell phones are awesome. You can pull your cell phone out of your pocket, take a quick picture, but there are limitations. If you're trying to take any kind of action shots, it usually blurs the action shots. Any kind of low light picture, red eye, it blows the picture out. And most of our school events, our major events, take place in the school gymnasium. And our gym, if anybody has ever been to Jackson City School's gym, it is the worst place on the planet to try to take a good picture. So there's the problem. So we started the pictures we couldn't get with our cell phones. We started borrowing pictures from parents, and I even had a deal with a guy in the community who takes professional pictures. Hey, I'll give you a free one-page ad in the yearbook if you let us use your sports pictures. And I don't like that because I feel like as I was going through the yearbook when I got it back from last year, I felt like our publication wasn't entirely our own, because here you'll see a photo by so-and-so, photo by so-and-so, people not in our school. So I wanted to make our publication our own again, get quality pictures. So I wrote the grant for a Canon EOS Rebel T7i DSLR camera. And I got two lenses with it, an 18 to 135 millimeter and a 55 to 250 millimeter. And I didn't really know where to start or how to choose a camera, so I just got online and started reading reviews like on Amazon and B&H Photo. And I also talked to some of the parents who have really good cameras, who take good pictures in the gym. So that's what I ended up with, and it ended up, I think the cost was $999, so that's perfect. And the camera also takes video, so we're going to use it for video this year too. And I feel like I don't like borrowing pictures. I already said this, but I don't like borrowing pictures from other people. I want our publication, our yearbook, I have to produce one yearbook every year. I want our publication to be our own. I want it to be our pictures entirely, not people in the community. So I think, and with this grant, with this camera, we're going to take back our publication. I'm going to teach the kids how to use the camera. I have to learn first entirely. But I'm going to teach the kids how to use the camera. They're going to use it all year long, and we're going to attend events. And then in comparison, at the end of the year, we can compare the pictures with the DSLR.